Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga is known as the traditional style of Hatha Vinyasa Yoga today. And we wonder, where does it really come from? I'd like to share a little bit of what we know today. The origin of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga has its roots in the ancient text called the Yoga Korunta. It is said that the Yoga Korunta describes numerous different kinds of postures, asanas, and the movements. And this text was also originally written on the palm leaves. And then this original version of the text was imparted to the teacher Krishnamacharya, who is known as the founder of modern yoga because he was the teacher of the Pattabhi Jois and also Iyengar, Indra, Devi, all these famous modern yogis. So this Yoga Korunta was handed down to Krishnamacharya in the early 1900s, around 120 years ago, let's say. And over the time, the insect ate this traditional text, so the text was gone. But Krishnamacharya, following the yoga tradition, he passed down all this knowledge of Yoga Korunta orally, from mouth to mouth. And this is how the yoga has been developed and passed down over the centuries and so on. So the founder of Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga, Pattabhi Jois, he learned about the Yoga Korunta by his ears from his teacher, Krishnamacharya. The sequence that we practice in Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga was the sequence that was recorded from the Yoga Korunta. We don't exactly know how old this Yoga Korunta is. It should be at least for a few hundred years old. So every time when we come to the yoga mat to practice the primary series, practice the Ashtanga series, then we are practicing this centuries-old lineage, centuries-old sequence, and we connect to that dedications of yogis who have walked before us. 99% practice, as the Guruji said. See you on the yoga mat for the practice together.